So Snow White lived happily with the dwarf. Every morning they went into the mountains looking for gold. And in the evening when they came back home, Snow White had their meal ready and their house clean. Meanwhile at the palace, the queen asked her magic mirror.
On the wall, who's the fairest of them all?
You are very beautiful, my queen, but Snow White with the little flowers of the forest is 1,000 times more beautiful than you.
Isn't she dead? The huntsman is sick, but now Snow White is dead.
She went to her most secret room. Since she was a witch, she made a poison apple. She disguised herself as an old lady and went straight to the house of the little dwarfs.
With this poison apple, Snow White is dead.
From the outside, the apple was beautiful and shiny, but anyone who might eat a little piece of it would die. When Snow White was with the old lady, she said, Snow White didn't recognize the old lady, in fact, her stepmother, and she beat the apple. Suddenly she fell to the floor, dead. That afternoon, when the 7 dwarfs came home for work, they were finding Snow White lying on the floor.